The theme of the lecture is network technologies. Today we will consider the basic concepts of networking technologies as a network, the types of networks, topologies and protocols. Also consider the IP address of the computer. A computer network is a set of computers that are linked in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. Network computer devices that originate, route, and terminate the data are called network nodes. Nodes can include personal computers, phones, services, as well as networking hardware. Two such devices networked together when one device is able to exchange information with the other device, whether or not they have a direct connection to each other. Computer networks are classified by physical extent or geographic scale. They are the following types of networks: a personal area network, a local area network, a home or campus area network, backbone network, metropolitan, wide and global area network. Server provides services to the other computers on the network. Services provided can include printing and faxing, software hosting, file storage and sharing, messaging, data storage or retrieval, complete access control for the network's resources, and many others. The next basic concept of Internet technologies is topology. Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control radio networks, computer networks. Bus network topology. In local area networks, using bus topology, each node is connected by interface connectors to a single central cable. This is the bus, also referred to as the backbone or trunk of data transmission between nodes in the network is transmitted over this common transmission medium and is able to be received by all nodes in the network simultaneously. In a linear bus network, all of the nodes of the network are connected to a common transmission medium. The next topology is star topology. In star topology, every peripheral node is connected to a central node called a hub or switch. The hub is the server and the peripherals are the clients. In traffic that traverses the network passes through the central hub. One advantage of the star topology is the simplicity of adding additional nodes. A ring topology. A ring network is a network topology in which each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signals through each node, a ring. Data travels from node to node, with each node along the way handling every packet. Mesh network. A mesh network is a local network topology in which each node is connected to every other node in the network. The next network, tree network. A tree network is a local network topology in which nodes are arranged hierarchically. Hybrid topology is also known as hybrid network. Hybrid networks combine two or more topologies. Network protocol is a set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in the same network. Communication protocols allow different network devices to communicate with each other. Today are used in both analog and digital communications and can be used for important processes ranging from transferring files between devices to accessing the Internet. Common types of protocols include the following: the Internet Protocol, instant messaging, TCP, routing, Bluetooth, file transfer, Internet Protocol, Hypertransfer Protocol, Secure Socket Shell, Short Message Service, Multimedia Messaging Service, IMAP, the Post Office Protocol, Telnet. TCP/IP is a set of protocols that work together. It consists of two levels. The top-level protocol, TCP, is responsible for the correct conversion of messages into information packets. The protocol of the lower level is responsible for the correct delivery of messages to the specified address. An Internet service provider is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. A browser is an application program that provides a way to look at and interact with all of the information on the World Wide Web. This includes web pages, videos, and images. The popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and others. HTML is the coding language used to create hypertext documents for the World Wide Web. IP address. IP address, a unique logical address, is signed to a machine over the network. And the IP address exhibits the following properties. IP address is 32 bits or 4 bytes long. It consists of two components, network component and host component. Each of the 4 bytes is represented by a number from 0 to 255, separated with dots. Uniform resource locator refers to a web address which uniquely identifies a document over the Internet. This document can be a web page, image, audio, video, or anything else present on the web. There are two forms of URL, absolute URL or relative URL. Absolute URL is a complete address of a resource on the web. This completed address comprises of protocol used, server name, path name, and the file name. Domain names serve to identify Internet resources such as computers, networks, and services with a text-based label that is easier to memorize than the numerical addresses used in the Internet protocols. A domain name consists of several words separated by dots. The domain name defines the country or type of institution. So, we learned the network technologies. Network technologies are a set of protocols and hardware and software devices that operate on these protocols. Many hardware and software devices form local area networks, which serve as the basis for complex global computer networks such as the Internet. Thus, network technologies are based on the principle of combining computers remote from each other into a single system.